All right, so let's hear it for Adeze. That's right. Give it up for Adeze. All right. So thanks a lot, Adeze, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. So you guys ready to translate her name together? Okay, cool. So Adeze. Basically two parts of that word, Ada and Eze. Ada literally means firstborn daughter, right? And Eze, the typical meaning, like I guess the meaning in this context is king, but in general it kind of means like master or lord or someone who is like the top or the best at something. Someone who's very masterful, skilled, you know, basically the top person, right? So in this context it means king. So you put those two together, Adeze basically means daughter of the king. You get what I'm saying? Or princess, essentially, right? So that's what Adeze means, princess. It's like calling someone, I mean, we have that name in English too, right? Princess. There's women named Princess. So her name basically means princess, Adeze. Adeze's names give them the power to be refined, socially savvy, and influential. Tag and share this video with all the Adezes that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nil nono wakwezo?
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Leave me a comment down below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. So if you would like an Igbo name, let's say you're expecting a child and you want a really cool African name, a name from the ancestors, or just a name that stands out that's different, let me know in the comment section down below. Basically, if you have a concept for a name, something cool, something interesting, I can give you the closest Igbo name to that. If you would like an Igbo name for yourself, if you'd like a cool middle name, or if you even want to change your first name or something like that, you know what I'm saying? I can gift you an Igbo name as well. So I can feature that name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. If you are Igbo and you want your name featured like Adeze, I can feature your name on this series, which is the Igbo Name of the Day, right? So just, send me a private message. My Instagram is linked below, where you can basically hit me up in the comment section and we can chat about that. And essentially, the whole purpose behind the name is, in our culture, we believe that the power and the gifts and the blessings and the strength behind that name are being invoked anytime someone calls it, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of our names are spiritual. So the gift from God or the qualities or the traits of that name are being spoken anytime someone calls that person's name. Like if I call Adeze, I'm saying princess over and over again. It's something that we understand because it's in our native language. You get what I'm saying? And so it's kind of a way to always walk in blessing. It's a way in our culture that we thrive as a people. And I want us to get back to that because I think that'll really help us out as a collective, as a people, to get back to our roots and the practices that we did for, thousands and thousands of years to help us become, the people who we are and the thriving group of people who we are, right? So I can give you a name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. If you are Igbo, I can give you a name on the Igbo Name of the Day. So if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then tap it just really lightly instead, all right? So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop the next video. It might be the video that you asked me to do for you next, right? All of this really helps the YouTube algorithm share this video with people just like you who might be interested in Igbo Nigerian names or just African names in general. So I appreciate you guys doing that, helping the content get out there. I appreciate it. The YouTube algorithm also appreciates it. Keep watching to the end of this video and you'll see suggestions for other videos that I make. Might be dealing with photography since I'm a photographer. And they might be like Igbo Name of the Day giveaway or Igbo Name of the Day, just like this. So if you continue to watch it, it also helps the algorithm out and you'll learn more about Igbo, Nigerian, or African culture. So I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.